It's a joke. Every time you meet person, they want to touch you and you like, no, coronavirus, like, I don't believe in.
Ke virus really ke bona kare ke mofu ke shwe. We don't have enough space for social distancing. If I can, let's assume I want to do social distancing, it means I'll be in my room, which is like not far from my mom's room, not far from my daughter's room. Social distancing will be good for people who are rich, who have space, who have money, who have everything, you know.